These are important to know because they are the 8 parent functions for many equations in Algebra 2. Linear is y equals x and it's an upward line. Absolute value is y equals the absolute value of x and makes a makes a V shape. Quadratic is y equals x squared and is an upward curve. Cubic is y equals x cubed and increases and decreases on the graph. Exponential is a line that exponentially grows and gets steeper as it goes on. Exponential is exponential b to the x. Square root is y equals the square root of x, and it steadies out as it gets further along on the graph. Reciprocal is y equals 1 over x and has two graphs on the graph. Has one curving up and one curving down. Constant is y equals 1 and is a straight constant line. F of x equals 1 over 2 times x minus 4 squared plus 3. First off, x minus 4, we would move the parent function over to the right 4 and then up 3 because it's plus 3. Then the 1 over 2 is a vertical shrink, so it would be a parabola. That's the end of the function.
For this equation, we are going to translate the function on the graph. You take f of x equals negative 3 times x plus 2 squared minus 7. You take the parent function, which is y equals x squared. Now with this parent function, we're going to translate it 2 units to the left because whatever inside of the parentheses you do the opposite of. We'll translate it down 7 units because of the negative 7 at the end of the equation. And we are going to vertically stretch it by a factor of 3 and flip it upside down because of the negative 3 at the start of the equation. And that's how you translate this function.
For our scatter plot, I picked ice cream sales versus temperature. Temperature is represented by Celsius and ice cream sales is represented by dollars. On the graph, top says ice cream sales versus temperature as correlating to the graph. The y-axis is where the dollars are located and the x-axis is the temperature. As temperature increases, the points increase, as well as the spending, it seems. That shows a direct correlation because of the line of best fit. So with every point, so as you can see, the direct correlation obviously shows that as temperature goes up, sales will go up.